Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a 3 looks 1 palette look with the Naked Basics palette. This is a part of my mini series of using all the Naked palettes that I have and doing multiple looks with that one palette. These are the shadows. In this palette there's only 6 shadows, but this palette is a great palette for traveling. Usually if I were to travel with this palette, I just bring this and then maybe like 1 or 2 single more shimmery eyeshadows just to spruce it up, or like 2 different highlighters or something like that. Excuse you. Gosh, she's a diva. But anyways, so we're gonna do 3 looks with this one little palette. I am super excited. I already have my base on. I have some concealer, blush, contour. I already did my brows, and I am priming all of my looks in the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion in Original. You guys already know this is one of my favorites and go-tos. It pairs perfectly with this. And let's go ahead and get on into the first look. Okay, so we're gonna go into WOS and spread it all over the lid from your brow bone to your lash line. Next, you're gonna go into Naked 2 and blend that into the crease. Then next you're going to use Faint and blend it into the crease and blend it up towards your brow bone. But make sure you don't go too far, otherwise this look will look a little funny. Take WOS onto the lid to lighten the lid up. Next, use Venus as your inner corner highlight. I like to use my pinky to apply that. And then finally add mascara, liner. I winged my liner, and add some nude or white liner to the waterline to finish this look off. For the second look, you'll start out with Naked 2, and you'll take that on a blending brush and blend it into your crease and up towards your brow bone. Next, you'll take Faint and swipe it onto the lid, and you can blend that up towards the crease. For mine, I didn't make it super dark, but you can make it as smoky and dark as you want. And you can take Naked 2 on a fluffy blending brush and blend out Faint in the crease. Next, you're going to use Crave on a smudge brush to create a liner on the lash line. Next, you're going to take another smudge brush and use Faint and swipe it across the lower lash line. For the inner corner, you are going to use Venus. Add mascara and either nude or white eyeliner, and you are done. This look is a great look for every day if you're thinking about changing it up. The third look is a little bit more complicated. For this look, you're going to need to tape your eyes so you can create a sharp line for this look. Take your liquid eyeliner and make the base / line for a wing. Then line your lash line with a thin line. Next, you're going to take a pencil liner or a Kohl liner and fill in the wing and to thicken it up a little bit. Then you're going to take Crave on an angled brush and pat in Crave to the liner to darken it and to kind of set it. Now take a smudge brush and smoke out that liner. You can make it as dramatic and dark as you want. I prefer to keep mine less dramatic and more wearable for every day. Now take Foxy and sweep it onto the lid. You can use it to blend out the liner even more, or you can put Foxy on before you put on any liner. On a small angled brush, take Crave and connect the liner to the lower lash line. Make sure you don't take it too far, but blend it into your lashes. Take Venus for your inner corner highlight, and you can highlight your brow bone with this one as well. And there's the final look. You can make it as dramatic or natural as you want. Make sure you add lashes and mascara if you want to, and nude eyeliner on the bottom waterline. There you guys go. There are 3 looks, 1 palette. This palette is adorable. I really like it. It's great for traveling, like I said. Even though that there's only 6 shadows in this palette, it's very versatile. You can use a whole bunch of different products with it, and it works really well. The colors blend pretty good. The only one that I really have trouble with is that faint color. It's like that dark brown. Sometimes I have some trouble with that, but overall this palette's really great. Let me know what naked palette you want to see next. I don't have all of them. I think there's only like 3 or 4 that I don't have. If I don't have it, I'll let you know, but if I do have it, that one will be the next one coming up. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my Instagram. It's under megan.elaine.ma, and I will see you guys next time.